All right, this is a video wiring this just a common soft starter that you get on eBay, Amazon, real cheap, $40-something. And this is just a generic low-end AC unit. All right, so this was kind of complicated, and I had to go. I probably spent a good hour and a half with AI to try to figure this wiring out. Because there is no good wiring diagram, and the wiring colors, of course, are different than all the others and all the other YouTube videos that are out there. So the first thing is when you look at this diagram right here, line in, so we're hot. Our hot is going to come in from the main power. The black wire is going to go into this switch. So you notice that the red, and AI helped me here, the red wire goes into the thermostat. It's right here that we tie in our red wire from the soft starter. It goes into this connector right here coming out of the thermostat, which was originally going here to the CW connection. All right, so taking that off, the CW connection is the common, and the common from our diagram is brown. And so I just left these connectors here because the other ones didn't work, and then I just spliced in here. Okay, and then so let's go back to our neutral. So our neutral from our power stays in to this capacitor right here, and this goes to the fan. We're not concerned with the fan circuit. So we take this wire right here, which originally ran to the run connector in our capacitor, now goes to the neutral in our soft starter. And so from our neutral here, soft starter. And so now when we go to our diagram, the blue wire that shows to go to the R connects to our run winding here on the compressor. Okay, and so the starting circuit. This really confused me right here. So what I ended up doing, because it says here, do not use an external capacitor. So seeing that this internally has a capacitor that's in line with our yellow start wire, I did so the Herm was connected here and then went to the start. So I disconnected the Herm and I just spliced it in with our start yellow wire. Seeing that it has a capacitor, I didn't feel like I needed to run it through here. And it works. It works like it should. The red wire, the red LED starts momentarily, and then the run green comes on. I had it backwards. At first I had this one here and this one here, and I was getting two red lights. The two red lights indicated it was protecting itself. So I think I finally figured it out. So again, it seems to be running like it should finally. Hope this helps somebody out, because I did not see any other. It says the instructions here say to go to this link, this YouTube link, but it says it's private. So I really had nothing to go by except this diagram, which really didn't make a whole lot of sense.